Hello guys! Continuation itong kanina, ngayon dry unit weight, ibig sabihin dry na talaga, which is dry 0%. So yung equation, parehas lang sila, at yung given na dagdagan, kasi kanina meron siyang 43%, parang ganon. Okay? Ito po yung YD, which is dry equal. Okay? Which is ganito po, dito, pinutin mo, 2.67 plus open 0 close open 0.45 close over 1 plus 0.45 equal, tapos SD po multiply 9.81. Yan po ang sagot.